usually don't do these videos. This is the third one on my channel. Yeah, you saw I have a box. It's not sealed. I haven't opened it. So you know what I'm going to do. I'm going to open it. But there's something about this that is different from every other unboxing that I've done. I mean, I've unboxed a mic. I've unboxed wireless earbuds. The wireless earbuds were my least favorite. The mic's my second favorite. This is the biggest, the baddest, the best box that we've had so far. The one I'm most excited for. I've put money towards this. There are other people who have put money towards this. This is my birthday present. And my birthday present was late April, it was April 22nd, and now it's May 29th, date of recording. So there's been a time gap. We finally have this, and it's sealed like I just showed you guys. I'm super excited. Let's get into today's video. What's going on, guys? My name's Michael Bear. If you're new here, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on that bell. I don't know why I was just holding the scissors. I'm really excited for today. Why don't we get into it? So I've not looked at this yet. There's a seal right here. I don't know how I'm going to do this. I don't even know if you guys can see that. Trying to stab it. I just cut it. Alright, one awful cut job later. We are inside the box. Got some paper. Now right here, there is a white box. This is what it is. Alright. I'm going to put it on the floor. You already know from the thumbnail and everything. It's the DJI Mavic Mini, which just came out October 30th of 2019. 6 months later, here it is. I can't believe I'm holding one of these right now. It's the Fly More combo because, well, I mean, it's totally worth it. You get all these, you get a propeller guard, 3 batteries, so that's an hour and a half of flying time right there. You get the drone, the case, the controller, the battery pack. This can also charge your phone and any USB electronic. There's just the drone. I'm excited. I've been waiting so long for this. Let's get into this box. I'm super excited. I'm so excited, you guys. So look out for that video. I think it's gonna come out the day after this. And so now we are inside this box. It just, oh. Alex is right behind me, guys. He knows how long I've been waiting for this. I can't believe I'm holding this. This is awesome. It smells like plastic. Here are the propeller guards, you guys. I guess I'll open everything up on camera, give this video some length to it. This will make sure the drone is safe. It'll cover up every angle of the drone. It's not the most, it's not the best plastic, but it definitely will do the job in keeping your drone safe. I don't know. There's the scissors. So we'll cut these open right now. This is one half the propeller guard. Pretty cool. I mean, the wing, the propellers come out here, or in here, and then that's just the motor. Anyway, yeah, it's pretty neat. I don't know how you really apply these to the drone, but I'm guessing it goes something like that. They mount on. But we'll put those over here. So now we have this case, but we're gonna get to that in just a tiny bit, because here we have, well, here we have all the essentials for the drone. We'll put the box down there. That is such a nice box too. It's so big. I'm a box keeper, I guess. I like to store stuff in it. Anyway, if we open these up, these are tiny. Hand comparison, that is the battery. And this will allow the drone to fly for 30 minutes, which is absolutely insane. So 3 batteries, that means an hour and a half of flight time if all of 3 of these are charged up. This is insane. Here we have some manuals. It looks like I don't know, 3 to 5 different manuals right here. I'm gonna read up on those while the batteries are charging. Now to the good part, you guys. The case, the Mavic Mini. I am so excited. The Mavic series is just awesome. Look at this. I'm sorry. Okay, this is my hand. Look at that comparison. Look how tiny this thing is. This thing is under 250 grams. I'm sorry, 250 grams. We'll get to why that's so important later on. But I need something to compare this to. I mean, here's just your normal case. Here's mini scissors, not even the normal scissors. I mean, this thing is just so tiny. Here, if we pull out, we'll pull out a book, the Spanish dictionary. That's a book to it. This is a tiny book. And do you have your phone? Where's my phone? A Chromebook compared to the Mini. Like, this thing is tiny. It's held in my hand. All right, look at that. I mean, I'll compare it in part 2 to more stuff, but here you go. It's just a tiny, incredible drone. But here, let's get to this part. Here is the charger. This can also be a battery pack for any mobile device. Like I said, these just click in like this. They'll use the battery. You can use your USB port to actually charge your phone, your iPad, your anything you want basically that uses USB charging, which is awesome. So these just slide in like that. Alright, and back, the drone is charging. Now we're going to get to one of the coolest parts. Here's just some extra propellers which go underneath. This is, oh, it's already charged. Wow, I accidentally turned it on. This is, in fact, the remote control, the DJI remote control for this drone. So, to unfold these right here, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but your little joysticks are in there. You actually get extras, or at least I think you do. You should. Anyway, those just screw on right there. Which is nice. They save a lot of room. And then look, you just fly your drone like that. So you just screw those in there. Sorry if you couldn't see that. Yeah, it's fine. I can show you better in part 2. But then here are your antennas, which will actually connect to the drone. Then you can just turn these out, and this is how you adjust them. So that's awesome. Oh, this is so incredible. Here's your gimbal, which is awesome. Record, take pictures. Then you got your little fans. You also plug your phone in right here with these. Alright guys, now we're going to get to the thing that actually flies. The best part about this, the drone, the Mavic Mini. Now, they just came out with the Mavic Air 2, which is awesome. It's such a cool drone, but this is like the miniature version of every Mavic. It has the Mavic design. It's super sleek. It looks awesome. It says Mavic Mini right there. It says DJ on the top. Oh, this makes me so scared with the propellers. Okay, now that all the wings and all that stuff is out of the way, you're probably thinking, how does this fly? It's all folded up. You just fold this arm out, fold this arm out. Now this is a pocket drone, okay? Do I have pockets? Yes, I do in fact have pockets. This is actually a great comparison. I don't know if you can see. Oh, the gimbal guard just fell off. Mavic Mini, I don't know if you guys can see this or not. Mavic Mini pocket. This is just a normal size shorts pocket. Look, fits in, you can't even see it. So this is like the same size as, I don't know, an iPhone X or Samsung Galaxy A50 or something like that. It is small, guys. So like I was saying, fold the arms out like this, okay? These on the back just fold out like this, and boom, you have your drone. just like that, you guys. So here's your drone, another hand comparison, a little bigger. I'm just a kid, so my hands are kind of tinier. Still, I'm not fully grown, but that's with the gimbal guard off, you guys. There is the 2-axis 2.7K at 30 frames per second gimbal camera. Pretty awesome, really high resolution. Just an incredible drone overall. The worst part about this drone, I think, so far is the gimbal guard. It keeps falling off. It's really making me scared. I'm so excited to fly this. I'm so sad we can't fly this right now. It's just stormy out, but for sure gonna do a part 2. Right here, again, I'll show you this more closely. Ultralight 249 gram drone. Pretty incredible. I would say, I mean, this drone just seems awesome. I can't wait to fly this. And probably is a good time to say that I am gonna start a second channel called Just Fly, or later this summer when I actually do flights with this, and you know, just relaxing, cool videos where I fly over, you know, beaches for sure, and different areas. But I'm really excited, you guys, because this channel that I'm putting this video on, it's actually gonna go on Just Fly, but it's this channel, it mainly focuses on roller coasters and music. I'm thinking once a week, maybe once a month-ish, we can go off topic. I don't know, like this video, I don't focus on drones, I focus on coasters and music, but I'm doing a drone video. Just kind of fun stuff, because I mean, if you're a coaster fan, why can't you be a drone fan? I mean, I think you could find that video interesting, and if you don't, just wait till the next video that week comes out or something. But anyway, you guys, part 2 coming out. This was the unboxing segment. I can't wait to try this out. This is going to be awesome. I'm going to read up on the manual, do my homework while the batteries are charging. It's going to be great, you guys. So, leave a like if you enjoyed this video. If you thought it was interesting, leave a like if you thought this was a cool video. And consider subscribing, for sure. Yeah, I'll see you guys with part 2. I'm super excited, you guys. Bye.